Gibberellins, another kind of plant growth regulators. Usually, these are firstly identified in the Japan. They're with the activity of the fungi with the name is Gibberella fusariae. Seedlings of the rice grows enormously in height and they fail to produce crop. Later it was identified that gibberellic acid is responsible for the stem elongation in the paddy fields in the Japan. So here with the activity of these gibberellins, internode usually elongated. That is the main role of the gibberellins on the crop. So with the activity of the gibberellins increase the length of the axis in grapes. So by the length increase in the grapes that facilitates for formation of the more number of the fruits on the stalk. Also, gibberellins causes size and shape increase in the apple. And also, gibberellins delays the senescence. Gibberellic acid 3 speeds up the malting process in the brewery industry. Spraying gibberellic acid and sugar cane increases the yielding up to 20 tons per acre. See, sugar cane is the main crop. With that, we are getting the sugar in the entire India. Here, the yielding of the sugar depends upon the juice produced in the stem. If the shorter stems and slender stems are produced from the plant, they may not store the more large amount of the sugar juice within the stem. If you spray gibberellic acid on the sugar cane, that causes increase in the length or increase the stem that facilitates to store a large amount of the juice within the stem that enhances the crop yielding up to 20 tons within a acre. Gibberellins also promotes bolting in beet and cabbages. It's an important short answer question also, very short answer. Bolting means sudden increase the length of the stem by spraying the gibberellic acid prior to flowering is called as bolting. Bolting means a rapid growth of the stem prior to flowering with the activity of the gibberellins is called as bolting. So gibberellins causes bolting in the beet and cabbages. And another important plant growth regulator is ethylene. Here the main features of the ethylene, main effects of ethylene on the crop fields is. So ethylene is a gaseous hormone. It is synthesized from the ripening fruits and tissues undergoing senescence. Usually, matured fruits or matured tissues produces ethylene in the form of the gas. Here, ethylene promotes senescence and abscission of plant organs. So, with the presence of the ethylene, it speeds up the senescence process and abscission process. Abscission means fall off or a drop of the plant organs, leaves and fruits like that. And ethylene induces ripening of the fruits also. Ethylene removes seed and bud dormancy. That means germination process induced by the ethylene and also dormancy process usually reduced by the presence of the ethylene. So ethylene promotes root and root hair formation. So by the activity of the ethylene, root hair formation is usually enhanced. Also ethylene induces flowering in pineapple and also in mango. It is most widely used in the form of the ethafan. In the market, ethylene available in the form of the ethafan. By adding this with the water, it is sprayed on the orchards. So these are the main effects of the plant growth regulators on the agricultural.